I think it's key that you empower your employees to do right by the customer and right by their fellow employees. And it starts with, software and integration. The question is, are you driving forward your business? Are the fundamental tools and support systems there in place to help you grow your business? When you don't have solutions and tools that adamantly allow you to do those things, you're missing car sales, you're missing opportunity.
What everybody's always hated is the process of test driving a vehicle, then bringing in the trade. And there's a dead time between somebody having to go out and look at the car, and if the customer's having a bad time of having to wait, the possibility of wanting to buy the vehicle is probably not going to be there.
The hardest thing sometimes is making the decision to change, to take a leap forward. And we took off very quickly on AutoVision, so been very happy with that.
Now that we're using AutoVision, we have about a 20 to 25% increase in used gross in our vehicles. I can appraise a vehicle within as little as 30 seconds. And I can just create the deal, bid the car, all hit one button, and everything's in there ready for me to put numbers together for the customer.
When you take care of customers, you form a relationship and a bond, and those things nurture and grow. You have to have good employees, great processes and practices, and it all comes together with synergy.
Using the tool allows us to make sure, again, we buy the cars for the right price and we sell them for the right price. Those things are correlated into selling vehicles, which keeps employees happy and keeps employees motivated.
It really is state-of-the-art and elite, from the graphics to the usage. So I would encourage people to take a look at that and see what they can do for your dealership.